Okay, so if you ever see this stuff, do not touch it. I had a lot of safety precautions under controlled conditions. So all I did was do a tiny touch on this to put some onto a slide. And the key thing on this one that's interesting is the chromium is highly oxidated at 6+. So it reduces really easy, so it sticks to your DNA and reduces, and so it oxidizes your DNA and causes cancer, so it's highly carcinogenic. And it's a red crystal. There's lots of red crystals, so be aware of red crystals. So if you look at the slide here, I've got quite a few super dangerous red crystals around. I'll do a video up on that especially, I think. But you can see this one's sort of a golden brown, and a little bit of, they all have a little bit of pleochroism, these heavy metals. And you can see there's not much change. They're both sort of the lightish brown on both clear and sort of plain and cross-polarized light. And you can see the shape of it too. It's very rectangular. Okay, which is they're all quite different. All these similar-looking red crystals, quite different under the microscope. That is.